First thing to do in this solution, get it into PowerQuery. So go to data from table range. I've got it in. You can see for some reason it hasn't quite recognized it. It's set the type as any, although some of them seem to be in here as the correct items, so those look okay-ish. Let's highlight that and let's change it and force it and tell it these are dates, and you'll see it's actually been quite clever. So you can see here that's suggesting the 9th of the 1st 2007. Now that could be an error because I think it's more likely to be the 1st of September 2007. This seems to be treated okay. Over here, this one here, it has converted into a number. Looking down the rest, looks like it's fairly accurate. Only concern would be, is it seeing the day as a month or not? Just to emphasize again, just the one concern would be, I think that 9th, the 9 means a month, and for example, that 4 means a month. So the dates are day, month, year, or year, month, day. But Excel has decided that the 9th will sit here, whereas the 4 sits here. So there seems to be a bit of a mismatch here. So when you've got something horrible like this, first thing you'll be careful of is just get rid of this change type, because it's better to see it in its raw format. Then what we're going to have to do is work through it and try and get these things to be similar in some way.